Hey Kenzie, motorbike, supercross bikes, just Kenzie here. Um, yeah, I bought some. Not bought some. You guys were kind of think when I said that. When you guys think when I said that, you guys they've gotten some parts or got my bike or something by then, but I was gonna probably say that I was probably gonna buy some tools. You know, if ever I know the bike should come first, but I know the bike should come first, but I'm gonna get some tools. You know, I'm probably gonna get some tools first. You know, if I get a bike used or new or with a blown engine, then I might need to replace it or rebuild it. You know, if the engine is worn out and tired, and I'm gonna have to do a replacement. You know, cherry pick it. You know, but and I already got some tools yesterday. Stanley. The tools that I got are Stanley brand. I got 5/8, 11/16, 3/4, 13/16, and 7/8. And then plus I got a ratcheting screwdriver. And check this out. You can put some in the bottom like that. And then there's some in here, if you can tell. Yeah, this sits and rotates. Yeah. You can turn it this way or back the other way. Yeah, I love Stanley. The only reason I like Stanley because they're a lifetime warranty. Because if you break a tool, they'll give you one for free. But there's other brands I like. There's other brand of tools I like, but you know, just not my favorite. But I do like. Then there's Craftsman Snap-ons. Snap-on. I don't know, Snap-on tools. They might have a lifetime warranty, but Craftsman does. I like Craftsman and Snap-ons, but those are not really my favorite. Stanley's my favorite, but I do also like Snap-ons and Craftsman. But I know these kind of wrenches are originally made for using on cars, but I'll get some bike tools is what I'm referring to. I don't mean to get off track, but about tools, but I'll get some bike tools that I need to, you know, take everything apart to rebuild or to replace an engine. But I will be getting some tools first, and then I'm still working on getting a shop, and then I'm gonna be researching for tools, what tools I can find, and I can practically buy them pretty much anywhere, I think, as long as there's like a store nearby or something. But I just want to let you guys know what I'm gonna be doing today, so I will be getting some tools for that. And then I'll probably show you what And I'll probably show you guys of what it's like to rebuild an engine or replace it or making a replacement one. But I just want to let you guys know if I'm going to be doing today, alright? And I'll probably talk to you guys next time, alright? See ya.